beauties, welcome back to WhatKarenLoves. I know it's been a minute, so we're back today with, of course, January favorites. I know today is officially February, but I thought it was still relevant because these are all the products I bought in January. And of course, it's Friday, it's recording day, and I thought it would be something easy but fun we could talk about, and I could show you some of my favorite products I obsessed with in January and that I bought in January, you know. I mean, we were on a hiatus, we took a little bit of break, but we are back. And also stay tuned because there should be a vlog up by the time this video is up, so go check it out down below in the description below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and please subscribe if you haven't already down below, or somewhere in this area. Go check it out, and let's get on to it, shall we? Some of these are clothes, some of these are hair products, some of these are just random products that I loved in January. I'm sorry. I started coughing really bad again yesterday, and I'm hoping I'm not getting sick again. So we're going to try our best to get through this that hit me randomly. So let's get into it, shall we? Let's start with, of course, makeup related. And of course, we got this little guy. As you guys know, recently I told you guys I needed some more foundation. Hold on a second. Sorry. Okay. And I saw this in Walmart. This is where I got it. And I love Neutrogena products. And this has been my favorite for about a week now, I think. So I had this on my skin today. You probably can't tell. It goes really good with my skin. I love it so. And it's not very expensive either. It's in the color Natural Ivory. It's really beautiful. I love it. I'll leave a link down below if I remember. Hopefully I remember. I'm coming in with also makeup. Number 2 is this little guy right here. It's recently new from Sephora, from Too Faced, and it's the Pretty Rich palette. I'm also wearing it today. I'm wearing this color and then this color. It's definitely my 2 favorite colors right now. Haven't really tried most of them, so for these 2. But hopefully I can dive more into it and some makeup tutorials. Speaking of makeup tutorial, there is a new one on my IGTV for, of course, WhatKarenLoves. So go check that out on Instagram, link down below. And also for skincare, we got, well, skin related. We got this little guy recently for my birthday. I won like an Amazon gift card like months ago, and I was finally able to get it. So this is the Duvolle skincare brush, and I love it so. It's definitely one of my favorites right now. And also with that, I got this little guy right here. It's also my favorite too. It feels so good on your skin. I just love it. I just really think it works with my skin. I have really sensitive skin, so it works wonders for me. So go try it out if you want. I'll leave a link down below in the description below if you want to go try it. If you don't, that's okay. I don't get paid. Okay, let's continue on with skincare. Of course, this comes from the Stillroom Botanicals. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. If I'm not, I'm so sorry. But recently I won a giveaway with them, a shopping spree, and I got this guy, and also I got this guy. I have the other one too downstairs, but I love this. So beautiful. Look at the color. And then this, of course, is the mask. I love it. I've tried this recently, and it just feels so good on your skin. It leaves your skin smooth. It feels clean. It feels fresh. I love it. I'll leave a link down below. Like I said, all the stuff that I talk about in this video should be down below if you want to, you know, check it out or get it for yourself so you can try it. Let me know down below if you tried any of these products, if you loved them, all that type of stuff down below. And of course, some more skincare related, which is from Drunk Elephant, and this is, I can't pronounce it, but it's a cream, and I love it. It just feels like your skin's getting nourished, and what was that word? Anyways, just feels like your skin's really just getting some, it's fresh, you know what I mean? I had the word and I just lost it, you know what I mean? It's just oh, here we go. It helps your skin, it moisturizes the skin, and of course it helps with dry skin, and so I just love it. I have another one too that I got from Drunk Elephant, and I don't know what I do with it. Hold on. Okay. I'm so sorry. I just realized I forgot a product. How did I forget it? Okay. Anyways, this is another product right here. I love it so. It's from Drunk Elephant as well. It's the Jelly Cleanser. I was wondering what I did with it because I was wanting to talk about it as well in this video because I tried it recently and I love it. However, my skin is really sensitive to things. I do love it. I'm not saying I don't, but my skin's very sensitive to everything. This one, I don't know if it's just the way it is, but like my skin just freaks out. So I'm gonna try it more. I've been about a few weeks since I've had it. So hopefully maybe it's just my skin's just sensitive, but like my skin, like it just, I don't know if it just burns or like it. I heard people say their skin stuff burns. So maybe it's just the product. But I do feel like it does work and it does make your skin clean and feel, you know, fresh and stuff like that. So I still like it. I still think it's amazing because I've been wanting to try Drunk Elephant products forever, and I'm so happy I was able to do that. I got this actually at Sephora for a free birthday present, so I'm happy I was able to try it. And coming in with another random product is this little guy right here. It is a speaker diffuser. I love it so. I've been getting sick a lot. I've been having a lot of headaches lately. So I thought, well, I've been really wanting a diffuser for our house recently, and I love listening to music, and I love the Google Home, which is what we have in our kitchen. And you can use the incense with this, and it smells so good. It's so pretty too. It lights up. If I can get it to work, I'll let you know. See, like it lights up. It's so cool. And like you can have a little fan. It's probably dead. I need to charge it. But it lights up as you put music on it and stuff. And it's so cool. I love it. There it goes. That's so cool. I love it. Like it's just so neat. So I'll leave a link down below if I can find it. Hopefully. I got this on sale at FYE for a closing sale. So I definitely check it out. That did not happen. I didn't mean for it to happen, but it didn't break, so we're all good. Okay. Alright. And here's another product. I think I already talked about it. This is from First Aid Beauty, and it's the Ultra Repair Cream. I love this. It's been one of my most favorites right now for my skin. You guys know I have dry skin. I have very sensitive skin. This is wonderful, and you guys should definitely check it out if you have sensitive skin and you need some really good hydration. This works wonderful. I love it. Definitely, but I probably have to get some more. Okay, another product which is for hair. I think I'm almost out of this. Probably I'm wearing it today. I just want to freshen up my hair a little bit because sometimes it gets dry, it gets oily. I don't know. It's just special sometimes. So this is the Freshen Up Dry Shampoo, and this is from Ivory. I think that's how you say it. So I think it's really good though. So that is actually all I have for you guys today. We can overview though. We can, you know, talk about them again. This was the first one I talked about, which is Pretty Too Faced Rich. And of course this little guy as well. And some skincare stuff. This one that I almost forgot about to put in here. But it is, you know, I wanted to mention it, so I hate going out at the screen, especially for a video, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Another skincare product, First Aid Beauty. I love them. This is actually the first product I've ever tried to get at Sephora. Same time I got all this other stuff. You know, I never got my my foundation ever from like Sephora. I've always gotten it through like Walmart. I just found it more easier for me and more cheaper. But that's just my opinion. Every time I go there, I never can find foundation that's not less than like $50 sometimes. So like, at least the ones I always see that people talk about, I'm like, ooh, I want to try this, but it's like $40 to $30. Mind that. It's been doing that every time you leave it on. So mind it. But anyways, this is another product like I was talking about. Just got it recently and I love it so much already. It's just so good for your skin. Alright, this guy too. I love it. And then of course this guy. And the speaker's all the way over there, so you guys seen that. It's making noise in the background, so mind it. And of course, this guy, love it. So that is an overall look of what I was talking about. Oh, actually, I just realized I forgot these too. Okay, so I got this from Ross. Actually, the shirt is from Ross too. I don't know what these are called, but I can't think of the name right now. I'm having a blank. But it's really cute. I love it. Listen, Bob, over there. Stop with your noise. Alright. And then some boots. You guys know I love boots. These are from Timberland. And I got these on sale, which, you know, they are pretty dirty. I need to clean them. The weather hasn't been really fun lately. So anyways, these are definitely one of my favorites. I love the color. It goes with anything and everything. Might see a fashion either video or blog. Might be a blog. But me pairing with these with some of the outfits. Oh my gosh, will you quit? Okay. Alright, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, go check out all the stuff down below in the description below. And also check out the blog. Comment down below what would you like to see next. And of course, check out all these products if you like to. If you're not, that's okay with me. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And of course, check out the for main channel, which is Duvolle exclusive. Check out the latest video, which I don't even know what it is. Makeup tutorial, I think. So go check that out. Speaking of, I just want to say thank you guys so much for sticking around with me. I know it's been a little hectic lately. I'm hoping soon I can do a giveaway with this channel. Been working on it. So stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys soon. And until then, hope you guys have a great day. That's all. XOXO. Bye.